Hi, this is CentOS RHEL. Today we will see how to MariaDB installation on CentOS. Let's go. First of all, we will see this version. Yeah, search the MariaDB. Yeah, we have many versions here. Related files. Let's go just server. Now just yes. Yeah, installation is done. Now we are start enable service. Yeah, status. Yes, status. Now we are access our MySQL to the root. Just without password. It is not secure. That's why I need to now secure installation. Exit our database. Very installation just without secure. It is not secure our MariaDB. That's why you have to need to secure installation. Let's go. Let's go. Sudo MySQL and secure installation because we are given our DB password. First of all, we are just simply installation. That's time is no password uh, setting. This now is we are settings of your current password. Yeah, your password set yes. Yes, anonymous user. Whenever we are installation database, the time is by default is user and some data tables create, but we are not production level is the is the by default user and db create. That's why you have to here is yes. Disallow root logging. We can't uh, root logging any database. That's why you have to yes. remove remove the test database and access it. Yes. Privilege table now. Yes. Yeah. We are now created installation is done. Now we're logging. The time is must be when I'm not password. That's why I'm not using the DB. Must be your password and given. Yeah. Yeah. So yes. Yeah, our new fresh installation that's have no data. Next time we will create table, migration data, and insert data and restore data. Thanks for watching.